Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a review on my Alma BB Louis Vuitton bag. So if you want to hear what I think about this bag, give you my thoughts and my views on this bag, then keep watching.
Here we go!
Okay guys, so y'all already know what we about to do. So background, don't mind that, I just dropped something. But okay, so background on this bag. I purchased my bag in Las Vegas back in September. The reason why I purchased mine in Las Vegas because my store here was sold out. They were sold out online, so I was like, hey, I want it for my birthday, which my birthday is in November. And before we get into this video, matter of fact, I'll put the link below. I did a birthday unboxing so you guys can see me unboxing this if you're interested in that. But anyway, so I got mine from Vegas and it came in a box like this. Of course, they wrap it with the tie or whatnot. I was actually looking at the monogram one. I think, yeah, that's the one I was looking at originally. But the lady told me the background on it, like, you know, you really can't wear that in bad weather, rain, all that, because it was stained. Which I have another bag with that print and I haven't worn it in bad weather, so it's doing good so far. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys my other Louis Vuitton bag, which you guys can see is in good condition. I hardly wore this bag, so it's still holding up pretty good, but we're not doing a review on this. But I was just showing you guys, I was looking at the bag in this print. So anyway, so like I said, it was out of stock. So I got lucky in Vegas. I went to Caesar Palace Mall. That's where I purchased mine at. It came with the little dust bag, so every bag comes with the little dust bag. It also came with this little key dust bag for your key. This bag retails for $1,430 with tax $1,549.76. so this, like I said, this is where I got it from. So the lady that helped me out, she was like really nice, really helpful. She helped me make the right choice because I'm not gonna lie, been eyeballing this print for the longest, and I don't know, it's classic, it's small, it's perfect, like perfect. Here's the little locket. Now my pros, what I do like about this bag is I love that the inside is red. It comes with the strap. I'm pretty tall, but the strap work out for me. I'm 5'9", so the strap is pretty good. It does hang. Where does it hang? I think it hit my hip. Okay, so one thing I like that it's small and compact. I love small bags. Only thing I would say, do not overstuff this bag, because when you overstuff this bag, it becomes to look tacky. Now I have a camera, which is my Canon G7X, that I will put in here. I will buy, I think I'm going to buy the matching wallet for this, but for now I just put like a little card holder. Of course your gloss and your phone, like your basic needs, will fit in here, and a little hand sanitizer, like Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer, and like that's it. That's all you need. If you overstuff it and you try to zip it, it will look weird and bulky at the top and it will lose its shape. So I would suggest not overstuffing this bag. It is casual. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Like this bag is so gorgeous. You can do so much with this bag. Now I did want to get my initials hot stamp. I'm gonna tell you why I changed my mind. Now I don't know if this is true, but I have seen people get their initials hot stamped and eventually it wears off. I was kind of afraid that might happen. I'm not sure if it's true, but I heard stories about it. I don't know if it's a true fact, but I just don't want that to happen, especially by me paying so much for this bag. And then plus they said due to the pandemic, once I was out there and I purchased this bag, they didn't do it there. My local store told me I can bring it in if it never been worn and get it done, but I ended up changing my mind. But other than that, I love this matte finish at the bottom. I love that it has the little feet down here so you don't scratch your bag up. You know, you got your two little cute keys right here. Overall, I really love this bag, guys. Like I said, I only wore it once, but it's so classic and it's so pretty. So I'm just giving you my review. I'll probably do like an update review on this, but oh my god, it's just so cute and little. Like I love it. I love it, y'all. If you're thinking about getting this bag, go ahead. I would definitely get this checker print over the LV, because like I said, you can wear this bag in any weather versus the monogram one. Like this bag, I'm limited to where I can wear it. You know, like if it's snowing, I'm not gonna wear this bag out. If it's snowing, I'm gonna pick her up instead. You know, I'm gonna leave Kiki at home and I'm gonna take TT out. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.